Cleared. Looks like we've already passed it a while ago, but that tree is gone. Hell in here. I'm probably gonna turn around soon. Oh, there's two ways. Holy crap, dude, this trail goes on forever. It just got really quiet really fast.
¿Lo viste?
No, fuck no. Yeah, that was my fucking cue to go. That was my cue to leave.